Tulong-tulong na ang Senado. Sabay-sabay na pinagbantaan ang China dito. Ayon sa nakalap nating impormasyon, Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri nagbabalang patawarin niya siya ng Diyos dito sa magagawa niya sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon sa Senado, wag lang sanang lumubog itong binubunggo at binobomba ng mga Chino dahil sigurado silang papalag pag nagdeklara ang Senado.
Isang aksidente lamang at kung nagkaroon po tayo ng aksidente na lumubog ang isa nating mga barko, I don't know, only God will know what would happen. Kasi ayaw po natin ng gulo. We don't want a conflict with China. That is the last thing that we want to happen. But we are not going to allow 1 square inch of our territory to be taken away from us. We're at okay, how do you say this? We totally, strongly condemn what transpired yesterday sa pag-water cannon dito sa ating mga tropa na naghahatid lang po, naghahatid lang po ng supplies sa BRP Sierra Madre. Ang paggamit ng excessive force is against UNCLOS and the rule of law of the sea. Binangga pa yung isang Coast Guard boat natin at kumuntik pang mapahamak ang lahat ng nakasakay dito sa Coast Guard vessels na to. Coast Guard vessel na ito. Walang tigil na pong, wala nang tigil. Sasabihin ko ulit, China, ba't napakahirap kayong mahalin? Di ba? Kaliit-liit na barko ng ating Coast Guard na nagbibigay po ng resupply mission. Dalawa-dalawa po ang ginamit niyong water cannon laban sa ating mga member ng Coast Guard. We demand that the Chinese government stop all these violent activities, all these provocative activities in the Yungin Shoal and the West Philippine Sea.
Ganito rin ang ginawang pagbabanta sa China ni Senator Francis Tolentino matapos malamang natakot ang China dito sa ginagawa nilang batas sa Senado. Pero ang China gusto itong pigilan. Binalaan tuloy sila ni Tolentino.
So ulitin ko, kahit ano pong yung pinasa nating batas noong nakaraan linggo, yung Philippine Maritime Zones Law, wala pong karapatan ng China na i-veto ito. Ang gusto nila parang sila yung may veto power. Hindi po bilang isang malayang bansa na may sariling kasarinlan, hindi po mapapahinto ng China ang Philippine Maritime Zones Law. Sunod-sunod kasi. Simula nung ipasa natin yung batas, ewan kung nagkataon, sunod-sunod, nagkaroon ng insidente, 2 barko na masyal sa talampas ng Pilipinas, sa Benham Rice, tapos yung resupply mission ay binomba at sinagi pa ng Coast Guard vessels ng China. So, tapos ngayon, may reaction pa ito may statement pa ito si Madam Mauning, na bahala na po sila dun sa Maritime Zones Law natin. Nagre-react na sila. Parang lumalabas, natatakot silang ipatupad natin yung Philippine Maritime Zones Law. O pag tayo ay tumugon.
Paglilinaw pa ni Teresita Daza, Philippine Foreign Affairs, hindi totoo sinasabi ng China na merong kasunduan na pinasok daw ang Philippines kapalit ng hindi sila magdedeklara ng gera basta isusuko sa China ang Philippines. Pero napahiya ng tawagin natin itong isang malaking kasinungalingan. Hindi takot sa China ang Philippines.
The Philippines has not entered into any agreement. I repeat, the Philippines has not entered into any agreement abandoning its sovereign rights and jurisdiction over its EEZ and continental shelf, including in the vicinity of the Yungin Shoal. China's unlawful exercise of maritime law enforcement powers, interference with Philippine rotation and resupply missions, or any other activity that infringes upon Philippine sovereign rights and jurisdiction in the Yungin Shoal are violations of international law, particularly the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. We continue to call on China to cease and desist from undertaking actions that violate Philippine sovereignty, sovereign rights and jurisdiction in the West Philippine Sea, and undermine the mutual trust and confidence that should underpin bilateral relations. We thank the international community for their continued expression of support to the Philippines and the defense of the international order based on international law. The Department of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of the Philippines remains committed to pursue its mandate of protecting and upholding the Philippine legal maritime entitlements in the West Philippine Sea. Thank you for your attention.
Pero nang tanungin si Pangulong Marcos kung totoong nasabing kasunduan, sagot ni BBM sa China, linya pa nga lang daw ni Xi Jinping ayaw nang ibigay, kaya paano pa magkakaroon ng kasunduan?
In January of last year, when I went to Beijing and I visited with President Xi Jinping, that is what I proposed, a kind of hotline between us, so that if there is a message that needed to be sent from one president to another, we can be assured that that message will reach them.
But do you have a personal line to President Xi?
Not yet, I'm afraid.
Ngayon ikaw, bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.